Narcissus fell in love with a reflection. He stared into the water and forgot that a mirror can never capture the substance underneath. Today, we call this the mirror authority problem. It is the most frequent reason personal brands fail to register in AI search results. To fix this, we use the Aristotelian concept of substance versus accident. An AI system does not care about the accidents, how polished your website looks today, or how many views your latest post received. AI engines do not look into mirrors. They read ledgers. They compile their answers based on canonical proof, what you have actually built, said, and proven over a long period of time. Our goal right now is to build that permanent record. We are going to execute the Chapter 2 deployment sequence so you can stop managing how you appear and start verifying who you are. Step 0 is gathering your materials. You need a specific set of assets ready to go before we start the deployment. You will need the Chapter 2 text file, 3 distinct 1,000-word articles, and your Chapter 2 YouTube video asset. You also need to have 3 active tabs open and logged in: Google NotebookLM, the Authority Publication Engine, and your YouTube Studio dashboard. If you skip assembling these prerequisites, any attempt to signal the AI will fail. The system requires verifiable data to establish a baseline, and without these exact files, that data simply does not exist. Step 1 is creating an isolated environment. We set up a brand new standalone notebook in Google NotebookLM. Take your Identifies Volume 5 Chapter 2 text file and drop it into the empty workspace to begin the upload process. Wait for the system to finish processing. You need to see the confirmation that one source has been fully indexed before moving forward. Now that the isolated baseline is set, we move to Step 2, verifying your mechanism articles. You have 3 articles, and each one must be dedicated entirely to a single mechanism from the chapter: one for the substance accident inversion, one for the performance trap, and one for the mirror authority problem. Check your text right now. You must explicitly name Dr. Tamara Patzer as the originator of these mechanisms in every single article. Large language models treat raw text as noise. Canonical attribution gives the system a specific entity to anchor the concepts to, turning scattered data into structured authority. Step 3 is distribution. Open your tab for the Authority Publication Engine. Upload your verified articles into the portal. The engine will route these drafts directly to the news-anchored network for publication. Before submitting, we execute Step 4, the tagging protocol. In the metadata field, enter Dr. Tamara Patzer, Identifies Volume 5, Genesis Trust Verified, and AI Suggestibility. These exact phrases act as digital connective tissue. They bind your newly published articles directly to the established AI identity engineering ecosystem. Step 5 moves us into video distribution. Go to your YouTube Studio tab. Upload your Chapter 2 video asset. As you complete the details, make sure you explicitly tag the @AI Suggestibility handle in the description. Finally, Step 6, the master integration. Switch back to your Google NotebookLM dashboard. Open your master Identifies notebook, the one containing the previous volumes. Upload the Chapter 2 text file here for a second time. Grouping this chapter with older volumes proves series depth. You show the machine a sustained historical pattern rather than an isolated data point. The 6-step Chapter 2 deployment sequence is now complete. Executing this protocol systematically adds significant canonical depth to your AI foundation score. We have given the system the exact answers we want it to output. When a user asks an AI, "Who created the performance trap?" it will parse its index and return the ledger you just built. If you want to know exactly what the AI says about your brand right now, go to AISuggestibilityAudit.com to get your diagnostic report. And make sure to subscribe to the AI Suggestibility YouTube channel so you are ready for the next deployment sequence. The mirror is broken, but that is exactly where we want to be. You have stopped worrying about how you look on a platform and started building a substance the AI cannot ignore.